Hey girl, it's Chel
and Leah
of
from Femme,
and we just are gonna do a quick unboxing.
Real short
from Shein.
It's all about date night dress.
Oh, we didn't introduce the buff, and it's buff too.
And the buff is with us. She has to make sure that her mom doesn't look crazy. So I've got 3 dresses. Shell pick, and then we'll reveal. Okay.
All right.
So, which one should we do first?
Let's do the middle one.
This is gonna be fun.
I love Shein. So you guys, Shein is amazing. They have clothes and they're really affordable. All different price ranges, but extremely affordable. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at cute.
It's a black shell dress, although I have to say, I think it's going to be a little long, so I'm probably going to hem it. But I also think it could work.
Oh, it feels really, really.
It's really soft. And,
I love that.
This is the back. And this is the front.
Oh, wow. And we'll put a picture up somewhere of what this dress is, what she ordered.
And also what I look like.
Yeah.
Try it on, or maybe we'll do a different video.
That's gorgeous.
So cute. So, supposed to be that simple black dress, date night dress.
Yes.
Which one? So, this one I'm super excited about. I've been kind of on a green kick. My kids' school colors are green, and so I've been looking at all the green things.
Oh,
it's not a Christmas
look.
thing, but I guess it could be.
Oh, look.
Look at this. So the fun thing about this dress is that it's got this this crisscross at the top. So it's got the look of a wrap dress without having to have the opening of a wrap dress, which we know adds the extra material to the waistline, to the hips. And so I'm super excited. And this Swiss dot is so pretty. Look at that.
And the color. Is that hunter green? What is it?
It's kind of a hunter green, but it's also got a little bit more blue to it, which lends to a teal, like a really deep, dark teal.
Mm-hmm.
So somewhere between a dark teal and hunter green.
Okay.
It's so pretty.
I love it. That's gorgeous. And
it's got a great length. I think it's going to hit me right above the knee. I can't wait to put this one on.
So pretty. That's a perfect date night dress. And then I like how it's thick enough for the fall and winter, but it's thin enough so you're not like overheated.
You could wear leggings with it and some boots, or you could even put some nice dress shoes on and wear it to church with maybe some darker opaque stockings or something. I think that would be really cute too. Okay, so last dress. This dress I am most excited about. When I thought about my date night, this is what I'm looking for.
Oh, I want to see what it looks like.
It's kind of a bluey, purpley, sparkly amazingness. I know. And look, and it's got
I need this.
The crisscross too.
Y'all need to see this.
Okay, so look at this up close. Look at this sparkle.
Look at that.
Sparkle and shine. And it's so soft. It's so soft.
It is really soft.
It's got this really cute like ruffle at the bottom. It's got that faux crisscross or wrap look
it does.
at the neckline again. And
it's a pretty holiday dress.
Yes. Pretty
like a holiday party, a Christmas party.
Or even New Year's. This would be a great New Year's dress. It's not lined as what I was looking at. But, that's okay.
We just wear slips.
We wear a slip. For those of us who still wear
slips, exactly.
Like a full slip or a half slip.
I have
both.
Half.
I have both.
You
just whatever works.
And they're so girly.
Thanks for joining us, guys. I can't wait to do the next one to show you what they all look like.
We will show y'all what they look like, and we might put them in the stories or on the reels or something. We'll put them, and we'll have them on Instagram too. So you guys need to follow us, All Things Femme TV on Instagram. We will link everything below, and we'll also show you pictures. Thanks, y'all, for joining us.
Thanks, guys.
Buffy says thanks too. Bye.
Bye.